In this video, we are going to see how the left, mid and right function works in Excel and what is the use of it. We will also see with an example. So here we have the text on our left that says this band rules. And if we want to extract the left characters, that means on our left is this word, we will use the left formula. So just select the text and how many characters do we need to extract is 4. Hit enter and we have this separated. Now for the mid function, we use something like search as well because mid is a little bit complicated. What is the middle part that we want to extract? Equals to mid, we have to select the text. The text is right here. The starting number. Let's say that the starting number is band. So either we have to write 6 or we can use a search function here. We have to find band, comma, within which text, within this text, and it will automatically extract it for you. And number of characters is 4. So we will extract 4 out of here. As you can see that it has successfully extracted it with the mid formula. Then for right, let's say for right, we want to select this text and out of here, we want how many characters? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 characters. So now it has combined, but if we change it to, let's say 5 characters, it will only select a part of it. So these are some of the functions. Let's see a practical demonstration of it where it can be effective. And I will show you some other method as well to work with a simpler method. First of all, we have the employee ID and we have the full name only. And let's say that we want to extract the department from here. It's right at the front with the 2 keywords, that is HR, IT, finance for FN, MK for marketing, PR for other departments. So on our left, we have to extract only 2 characters, equals to left, and we need to extract 2 characters. It has extracted the department, double click to send it down. Year of joining, it's in the middle. So after the employee ID comes the year of joining in the employee ID. So equals to, I'll just write mid, text is this, out of here, the starting number is 3 after 2 characters and number of characters, since we want the complete year name, it's of 4 characters. Hit enter and you have the years of joining. For first name and last name, since the length of the name is not always the same, but the common thing that we can still identify is the space. After space is the last name and before it is the first name. So first of all, let's identify the space. We will use a search function for it. Find this text, find a space within this text, hit enter, and space is in 5th character and it will be different for all, as you can see. And now we will use a left formula with that. Left, on our left is the first name. So in the text, I'll just select simply this one. So on our left is the first name. Select this, comma, and the number of characters. We will keep it as it is just to see the answers. That means search function will identify the number of characters. Hit enter, click yes, and it is able to identify the first name. Just double click to send it down and it is able to do for all of these. So now you see how the search function is combined with the left function in order to make the results. Let's do the same for the last name. First of all, we will use the search function. Find what? Find space within this text, hit enter. And after that, we will combine it with the right function. Text is this, comma, and the character will automatically be identified by search function. Hit enter, click yes, and it is cutting 1 letter. Let's double click to send it down and it's doing the same for all the last names. So this means we need to add -1. Whatever is the number, we need to add -1 to it. So this means we need to add a number +1 because we want to add 1 character from our right. Let's hit enter and now it's showing properly. Double click to send it down. But here the problem is different. We have different length of characters for each. So it won't be able to read it. So in these cases, we will use a formula like this where we will use the len function, find function, and write function, but that's a bit complex for us at this moment. And also in these kind of scenarios, it's not very handy to use these formulas because we have other solutions as well. We can either use the split function directly. Let me just show you. Let's say I want to split it into the first name and last name. I'll just insert more columns, more two columns, select the full name, go to the data, use text to column feature. Now, text to column feature allows you to separate the text based on a specific criteria into separate columns. So we will use delimited function, and it will ask you after what you need to separate. After a space, I need to separate it into two. So as you can see, it's perfectly identifying it. Click finish, click yes, and we are good to go. Now we just rename it to first name, rename it to last name, and that's all done. If we, let's say, don't want it like that, we can write here first name and last name and use the flash fill to do it. Just write one name and other name. And as you can see, the moment I start writing the other name, it will automatically identify a pattern that out of this text, we just want the first name, and it will suggest automatically for all the rest. Hit enter and you will get your answers. Otherwise, you just select a simple pattern, double click to send it down. It will show you the same results for all, but go to the autofill options manually and click on flash fill, and it is able to identify that. Same thing for the last name. It's very simple to extract, double click to send it down and use the flash fill. Even if we start writing the second word after writing the first one, it should be able to identify, or let's say on the third one, it's able to identify. But if not, you can manually just select both of these cells, double click to send it down, and you click on autofill options to use the flash fill. So this is how you can use left, mid, and right function in some scenarios, while you can use other preferred options like flash fill and text to column features for other kind of scenarios. So just try this by yourself, and I will see you in the next one.